Civil Plus has the capability to evaluate the interference check or the part clashes. This is good for underground utilities such as your sewerage, water rack, TMB cabling, telecom cabling, pipe and gas, oil and gas piping, and so on. Let's say in this scenario we have an existing sewerage reticulation, water reticulation, and we're gonna lay a new pipe gas crossing these two existing pipe systems. In real world scenario, we are not allowed to disturb the existing utilities, underground utilities. Let's do the interference check in Civil Plus. You just need to highlight to Civil Plus which pipe you want to check, and Civil Plus will do the calculation for you. If there is a clash, Civil Plus will highlight with a marker on the model. Let's check the other system. The new pipe versus the existing pipe. And there is no clash in this model. Therefore, with the Civil Plus application, you will be able to determine an integrated checking. If in 2D application or model, you are not able to determine whether you want to raise or lower your design layout. But in Civil Plus, you will be able to view the model in 3D instantly. Therefore, you will be able to judge quicker whether you want to raise or lower your proposed pipe system. In this case, we just need to lower the yellow pipe system. To change the design, you can either use your profile, whereby this pipe system profile has been generated automatically. No AutoCAD command is involved at all, even though it's the same DWG format. You can change the design by using the grip command. Now my slope has been changed from 2% to 2.10%. It will update the whole model instantly. Or alternatively, you can change the model by using a tabulation form. Let's change the slope to 3% and the model will update automatically throughout. Let's run the check again and to see whether our changes make any difference. As you can see, at 3% slope, the area which is filled now is okay because we lowered the pipe, but the other portion which was okay, now it is failed. Therefore, it's an integrated checking in Civil Plus application. Let's change again the value to some other design input. Let's run the check again. Now, as you can see, there is no more marker showing the clashes position. You can counter check throughout the system in 3D form. As you can see, the new gas pipe is not clashing to any other pipe system, the existing underground utilities. You can control the maximum and minimum value for your pipe, such as your maximum cover, maximum slope, and so forth. And Civil 3D will show if there is any failure, it will be highlighted in the status column. You can also change the minimum and maximum value that you require. And once you update the model, it will recalculate everything.